We begin tonight with a sad development in a story we first told you about 1 month ago.
You may remember the story of a Kemptville couple forced to spend months apart in separate care homes.
Joan Burnett is living in Bayfield Manor in Kemptville. Her husband, Ken, was placed at another care facility in Ottawa, 45 minutes away. The couple was waiting to be joined together once again, but yesterday Ken died in hospital.
CTV's Megan Shaw first reported this story for us and is live tonight with an update. Megan.
Patricia, the couple was forced apart 6 months ago, and in that time, the family says Ken Burnett's health started to spiral. They say he suffered from a broken heart from being apart from his wife, Joan.
We had a wonderful marriage. We really did.
Forced to live in separate care homes, all Joan Burnett wanted was to be reunited with her husband during his final days. But Ken Burnett died Monday without his beloved by his side.
I was here for a long, long time waiting for him to get in, but it didn't happen. But I guess he's at rest.
The couple, who have different care needs, were split up earlier this year. Ken placed in a long-term care unit in Ottawa, Joan in a retirement unit 45 minutes away in the couple's hometown of Kemptville. Their family says they were told it was temporary, that as soon as a room suitable for Ken's needs became available, he would be moved down the hall from his wife of more than 60 years. For 6 months, the Burnetts have been fighting to bring Ken to Kemptville, but we're told there were at least 7 people ahead of him on the waiting list. They were hoping for an exception.
I really was hoping for a miracle. I hope someone that could do something would hear our cry.
First, they reached out to the Community Care Access Center, who said Ken was not a crisis. The CCAC told CTV Ottawa private resident location does not influence placement prioritization. Then, when reaching out to the Ontario government, we're told CCACs do have sole responsibility for managing the waiting list for long-term care homes.
It's terrible that the couples are apart, especially in Ontario. BC got them together. I don't know if it was Quebec or Nova Scotia, both got a couple together. Why couldn't Ontario?
Now, heartbroken, in the middle of planning a funeral, the family's taking time to tell their story, hoping this is the last time a couple is forced to live apart.
That was what I was here waiting for months. You know, not just weeks, it was months.
Throughout all of this, the family says the CCAC said there was no urgency to move Ken because all of his care needs were being met. They agree while physically he was being taken care of, emotionally, this has all been devastating. Patricia.
A very sad story. CTV's Megan Shaw reporting live for us tonight. Thank you.